Sona, all the best for the new chapter of your life. I wish we could spend some more time together and I could say this in person, but anyways, we will meet up soon. I'll come to Canada to meet you. And let's keep in touch, and rest of my tips will follow in the next video.
Hey Sona, so really very happy for you. Finally, your day to join your husband has finally come, and soon you'll be with him. All your stories about him being alone have now finally come to an end. You've been an excellent team member with PD, Sona, and we're going to really miss you. Wish you all the best wherever you are, and I'm sure we'll meet in Canada. Good luck, Sona. Bye.
Hey Sona, hi. It's been a long journey with Emirates and with us, and it's been a long time that we have known you. And all the best to you in your adventure. It's going to be a new life, new story, everything new, and I know that you will do well. All the very best. Stay blessed. See ya.
Dear Sona, we all know that you are off to Canada to join your husband. All the best. However, we all will miss you very, very badly. I wish I could be there at this time. I'm sure a new world of opportunities is waiting for you in Canada. And as you all say in Dubai, inshallah, we'll either catch up in Canada or elsewhere. Once again, all the best for you, Sona, with lots of love.
Hi Sona. Since your time with Emirates, I guess I've had the longest acquaintance with you professionally. We've had some great time together, worked very well together. You've had an amazing learning curve. I'm so happy for you at this point in time that you're all set to take your new step in life, all set to take the big leap in life. All the very best. Emirates is going to miss you, your skill set, your attitude towards work, but there's a lot more awaiting for you out there. Good luck. All the best. Wish you the best in life always. Thank you. Take care.
So finally decided to leave EK, huh? Have a great future and all the best. Bye.
Hi Sona. This is a whole new and exciting change that's going to happen in your life very soon. Wish you all the best and great success ahead. If any chance I get to come to Canada, not in nearby dates or months, but will definitely call you or email you before that. So bye, take care, all the best.
Hi Sona, I'm so happy for you. I'm so happy that this is actually happening. I know for you it's been a long 2-year wait. Of course, it's not the best of time to actually, make a move, but I guess, better now than later. And I really hope you're looking forward to, all the new exciting challenges and new opportunities that will come with, actually starting, starting family life. And I wish you all the best, especially in your job search. And of course, we are connected on LinkedIn, or we will be connected on LinkedIn. I wish you and Anup all the best, and stay in touch, and God bless. Bye.
Hi Sona, have a great life ahead. Wish you all the best for all your future endeavors, and have an awesome time with your husband. You guys are in a great place, so enjoy your life and keep in touch.
Heard that you're settling in. Really happy for you, dear. Do have a great time with your family, and all the very best for your future endeavors. Do stay in touch, and all
Hey, hi Sona. So it's already time to say goodbye. But I'm happy for you. You'll be joining your hubby, and I'm sure you will create a lot of memories, and that will be a happy place for you. So I'm happy for you. Well, if I have to say something about you, definitely you were one of the best colleagues that I have worked with. I liked your positive attitude towards everything that's been given, how we've achieved a lot of projects, and everything that you've done in PD. You have, as from work point of view, all that is highly appreciated. And besides work, we have also had some interesting conversation with regards to faith, and I have also learned a lot of things from you with regards to faith or with regards to work. So I will be missing all that. I wish you all the best for your future, everything that you do, and I will request you to always remember me and my family in your prayers. I will also remember you and your family in my prayers. Thank you. Take care and keep in
Hi
touch.
Sona, I'm so glad to hear that you finally got the flight so you can join your hubby soon. I'm sure you're excited, but all the best. We are going to miss you so much. Thank you for being such a good friend and a sister. Love you so much.
Hi Sona, you are a blessing. You were a blessing for us, and you are going to be a blessing to everyone you meet. God bless you.
Hi Sona, you are an awesome friend throughout all our journey off the pitch and on the pitch. God bless you. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
Meena, wishing you all the very best. Hope you will get settled there soon with a wonderful job, with wonderful family time. We will definitely miss you around, and I will miss the pavikya curry and the motor rice and the lunch company for sure. God bless you. Hope we'll see you soon. Enjoy.
Hey Sona, Aarti here. All the best, dear. Happy journey, safe journey. Do miss us. Do miss Emirates. We'll keep in touch and maybe see you around once we are in Canada for holidays. See you soon. All the best.
Hi Sona, I hear the news about you. You're leaving from Emirates end of this month. It's a sad news, but the good news, you have moved to Canada. I'm going to miss you, especially this dialect. Whenever we met, you used to ask me, it's mean how are you? I'm going to miss this, especially this dialect. Wish you all the best, Sona, for your new journey. Keep in touch.
Hi Sona. When I think about you, the first thing that comes to my mind are those marathon handover sessions when I joined analytics. Thank you for being an amazing colleague. May God bless you in all your future endeavors. All the best. Thank you.
Hi Sona. We have known each other since the time I joined Emirates. From that time till now, you have been a very wonderful person. I wish you all the very best for your future, and may God bless you.